Hey everybody, I have a Ali Edwards project right here in this tray, and I am going to document a bike ride with my husband. It actually uses the Wii Kit and Move, so it uses both of them, and I kind of came up with my own color scheme based on the red in this photo and then the gray, so kind of a red and pink and black. And this is the digital page. I used the Move arrows to make this pattern. I don't remember where today is from, but I repeated that, and then just the two of us is also from the Wii Kit. And then what I really needed printed was the digital stamps, so that's why this is a lower opacity, and then I can just put the actual photo on top. And then I have an 8.5 by 11 pocket page that I'm gonna fill in with some additional photos, and I can document our bike ride. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Sabrina, and I'm on a few design teams, and I just launched my first big picture class. I also lots of behind the scenes stories at Mrs. Scrap and Plan. All that information is in the description box below. All right, I'm gonna get started on putting this together. So I'm going to start putting the different pieces where they need to go, and I don't think I said this in the introduction, but this is an 8.5 by 11 pocket page spread that I'm going to put in my Me album. So things are a little bit smaller as far as the pockets on the right. So I've placed the photos where I want them, and then now I am going to make a heart chipboard using my backing that I have and this digital piece right here. And I'm not sure what kit I got the hearts from. I want to say it's the Wii Kit, and then I just changed the sizes. But I also just made sure that I had one big heart to go with my focal photo, and also made it bigger because it would balance out with the larger photo, so it made sense. And I'm going to put my photo down. Like I said, I had to leave it on there when I was printing. That way I knew where it was going to go and I didn't mess anything up. But I probably could have figured it out just having the printed digital elements there, and I didn't need the photo printed. But for me, I wanted it there just so I have it, and it makes it easier to put it all together. I just put down my other two photos that I have on the side. I think I left one tucked in, the bottom one tucked in, and then the top one tucked out. Also included a little screenshot of our bike ride, miles, because that was the longest bike ride we've ever done, 10 miles, and it was amazing. We were about dead, but we did it, and it was so much fun. Created a little cluster right there with that big heart and pop dotting a circle from the Move kit. Also going to add another little cluster to a bottom right photo, and it's going to be together and then just a heart. And then another little pop dot arrow circle up at the top that says go, go. Thinking about that, now I want to sing that song, Go Go song. Oh boy. Now I'm going to add 2 word strips, and then I will be nearly done with this spread. Like I said, probably said this a few times, it's super simple, but I was still able to document a really special memory for my husband and I. All right, so I hope you enjoyed seeing this 2-page spread come together. I know it was super quick, but I still wanted to show you what digital can do. Another example of what digital can do when you use it in a hybrid way. And also, if you would like to see a peek inside my Me album for this year, it's 8.5 by 11, leave a comment and let me know. I just keep forgetting to share what I've been doing and how this album is going for me. So thanks so much for watching. I would love a thumbs up or a subscribe if you are new to my channel. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.